Question number 14 says, suppose we have a velocity function and we want to know the distance traveled over some period of time. This is simple if the velocity is constant. Suppose we have a constant velocity function v of t is equal to 60 miles per hour. How far have we traveled during the first 3 hours? Well, distance is equal to velocity times time. So if you take your velocity, which is 60 miles per hour, and multiply it by how many hours, which is 3 hours, the units will work out where the hours cancel out, and we just take 3 times 60 to get 180 miles. So that's not very hard at all, but we can actually also do this graphically. So to do it graphically, if we graph it, it's going to be a constant function at 60, meaning it's going to be a horizontal line, and we're only considering it up to 3. So this is actually, if we calculate the area underneath this curve, because it's a rectangle, you just need to take the width times the height. So that's going to give you 180. So the area under the curve is 180. So this is kind of very important because if you want to find the distance traveled and you have the velocity function or the graph of velocity, you just need to find the area underneath the velocity curve. So let me write that here. So to find the distance traveled, so to find the distance traveled, you just need to find the area under the velocity curve. And if we look at number 15 in the next video, we're looking at a velocity curve where it's not constant.